Hi guys, today we talk about how can you choose safe search on your app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So all you have to do, you just go above this sign, click on it. Then it's going to show for us list like this. Then all you have to do, just click here on settings. So then it's going to take us to this list here. Then all you have to do now, just go down, sorry, you click here on private search here. It's going to show for you in this list. You click here on private search and you come to this list. You click here on more search here, settings, and you come to this list here. Then all you have to do, just come to save search here and you click in this sign. Then here can you choose if you want to add strict or moderate or off here or turn off it. That's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.